In this video, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp on your phone. As an additional security measure, you can use App Lock for WhatsApp on your phone. When turned on, you'll have to use your fingerprint or facial recognition to unlock the app. You can still answer calls if the app is locked. To use this feature, you'll need to set up biometrics such as fingerprint or facial recognition in your phone's settings. To lock WhatsApp on your phone, go to WhatsApp settings, then tap Privacy. Scroll down, you'll find App Lock. Turn this on. Turn on Unlock with biometric. Touch the fingerprint sensor or scan your face to confirm. Optionally, you can tap to select the amount of time before fingerprint authentication is prompted. Turn on Show Content in Notifications if you'd like to preview message text inside new message notifications. By this way, you can lock WhatsApp. If you want to turn off WhatsApp lock feature, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Privacy, then go to App Lock. Turn off Unlock. Use your biometric. Friends, that was today's video. This way you can turn on or off WhatsApp lock and secure your privacy. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of tutorial videos regularly. Thanks for watching.